If your Finder sidebar is suddenly missing or not showing the items you expect on your MacBook Neo, don't worry, it's pretty easy to fix. Let me walk you through a few quick ways to bring everything back. First things first, if the sidebar isn't showing at all, open Finder in full screen. Now, move your cursor to the edge of the screen and the sidebar should appear. But if you move your cursor away, it'll disappear again. To keep it visible all the time, click on the View tab at the top and then click on Show Sidebar. Now, if the sidebar is visible, but you're not seeing items under different sections, just go to each section and click on the small arrow next to it to expand the sub-items. If some items like Recents or Desktop are still missing, click on Finder in the top menu. Then go to Settings. Make sure you're in the Sidebar tab. From here, just check the items you want to show in the sidebar. If it's checked, but the items are still not showing, like mine, just go straight to the location of the folder or item on Finder. Then drag it and drop it into the sidebar. It'll stay there for quick access. You can add additional important folders for quick access on your sidebar by this exact same process. That's it. Thanks.